Jamie Beech, bicycle check.
Here is my bicycle. So, got my Hoffman Rhythm 1990 something frame. Pretty damn dandy, if I must say so myself. Come up here, got some Total BMX World Peace bars. Pretty good. 29 wide, 8.5 rise. Got my ODI schlong neck grips with a Odyssey bar end on this side, but this side, oh no, because that's silly. Saving weight every day. Every little helps. Get to my stem, FBM brick stem. Apparently you can use it as a bottle cap. Connor told me, bullshit. Top cap here, got a Total BMX Limelight. Come down, we've got a, no one gives a shit about headsets. Got my Total Limelight forks. Pretty nice if you want a big fat chunky tyre up here for foot jams. Aaron Ross Odyssey signature tyres. Pretty nice. Got the keyboards. Come to the wheel, it's got an X rim or some Japanese shit. Salt hub. I don't have a fucking clue where I got that from. Bone Death diet grinders. Really good. The woman in the picture is really fit. Promise you now. Come back here. Got my cranks, DK Social, with 48 spline, must say that. DK bottom bracket as well in gold, because that's really ghetto. Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. They're shit, because look. Bullshit. Stolen Classic chainring right here. Pretty nice, alright. KMC chain. Total BMX. Union jack seat. Yeah. Nice. Salt AM pivotal post with a Federal seat clamp. Get back here, we've got my Fit FAF white wall, probably on like 2 PSI. Got my hub, that's an Exposure Infinity, rim's an Exposure Infinity as well. Bone Death diet grinder once again.
Okay. What happened to your rear rim?
Okay, so I did an ice pick down a rail and I snapped my female bolt off and I had to nick one from my toilet and now my toilet doesn't flush properly. So if you have a really big poo, it just will not go down.
Tragedy.
You've got to wait until it dissolves into the water, then you've got to flush because it's crap. Right, so I'll give you a hub sound. Pretty alright if you're... And I'll show you something that I can't do, but I'm going to try.
3, just do 3.
3?
Yes, just 3.
Okay, we'll just do 3. That was shit. Pure shit.
Pure.
But anyway, thank you for watching my bicycle check. Put in the comments if you want to see my pubes.